How powerful USS George W. Bush, symbol of American naval power. Welcome to U.S. Military on Spot. The USS George W. Bush, CVN-77, stands as a symbol of American naval power, named after the 41st President of the United States, George Herbert Walker Bush, and his son, the 43rd President, George W. Bush. Commissioned on January 10, 2009, this Nimitz-class aircraft carrier represents the pinnacle of modern naval engineering and military might. At the heart of the USS George W. Bush lies its formidable power projection capabilities. With a length of 1,092 feet and a displacement of over 100,000 tons, this floating fortress serves as a mobile airfield, capable of launching and recovering a vast array of aircraft with precision and efficiency. Its nuclear propulsion system ensures virtually limitless endurance, enabling extended deployments far from home shores, projecting American influence across the globe. Aircraft carriers like the USS George W. Bush serve as the centerpiece of America's naval strategy, offering unparalleled flexibility in responding to global crises, conducting humanitarian missions, and maintaining deterrence. Equipped with advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and a robust defensive armament, the carrier operates as a sovereign territory, capable of defending itself and its accompanying strike group against any threat, be it from the air, sea, or beneath the waves. The air wing of the USS George W. Bush is a force to be reckoned with, comprising a mix of fighter jets, reconnaissance aircraft, electronic warfare platforms, and support aircraft. FA-18, Hornets, and Super Hornets provide air superiority and close air support, while E-2 Hawkeyes serve as airborne command and control nodes, coordinating the flow of information in the battlespace. EA-18G Growlers disrupt enemy communications and radar systems, while helicopters stand ready for anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue missions. But the true power of the USS George W. Bush lies not just in its hardware, but in the thousands of highly trained men and women who call it home. From the flight deck, crews who launch and recover aircraft in all weather conditions, to the engineers who keep the reactors running smoothly, every member of the ship's company plays a vital role in its mission success. Their dedication, professionalism, and esprit de corps ensure that the USS George W. Bush remains ready to answer the nation's call at a moment's notice. Operating the USS George W. Bush is a complex and demanding task that requires meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. From routine flight operations to combat missions, every aspect of carrier operations is governed by strict procedures and protocols designed to maximize safety and efficiency. The carrier's commanding officer, supported by a team of experienced officers and enlisted personnel, oversees all aspects of shipboard life, from training and readiness to morale and welfare. In times of conflict, the USS George W. Bush serves as a powerful deterrent to America's adversaries, projecting American military might across the world's oceans. Its ability to launch airstrikes deep into enemy territory, conduct sea control operations, and provide a floating base for special operations forces makes it a force multiplier for U.S. military strategy. From the shores of the Persian Gulf to the waters of the Western Pacific, the carrier's presence sends a clear message of American resolve and commitment to its allies and partners. But the USS George W. Bush is more than just a weapon of war. It is also a symbol of American values and ideals. Throughout its deployments, the carrier has been a beacon of hope and assistance in times of need, providing humanitarian aid and disaster relief to those affected by natural disasters and conflicts around the world. Whether delivering food and medical supplies to remote islands or evacuating civilians from war-torn regions, the ship and its crew embody the best of American generosity and compassion. From its state-of-the-art technology to its highly trained crew, the carrier represents the pinnacle of modern naval power. Whether projecting force in times of conflict or providing assistance in times of need, the USS George W. Bush serves as a powerful symbol of American leadership and commitment to peace and security around the world.